When a flood or major leak strikes your Poway home, the first question is always about the timeline. Understanding the standard remediation process helps set realistic expectations for getting your life back to normal. The overall timeline is divided into two distinct phases. The first is mitigation, which focuses strictly on water removal and drying. The second is reconstruction, which involves rebuilding the damaged areas. The initial water extraction phase happens immediately, using industrial pumps and heavy-duty wet vacuums to remove all standing surface water from your property generally takes 1 to 2 full days. Once the standing water is gone, structural drying begins. High-capacity dehumidifiers and air movers are brought in to pull moisture out of the building materials. This crucial step typically takes 3 to 5 days. The materials in your home heavily influence this drying timeline. While thin carpets and drywall might dry in just a few days, dense materials like solid hardwood floors and concrete can take up to a week. The type of water also dictates the schedule. Clean water from a broken supply line dries relatively quickly. Contaminated black water from a sewer backup requires extensive sanitization, adding several days to the initial mitigation phase. Moisture often travels behind walls and under subfloors where it cannot be seen. Professionals must use thermal imaging cameras to track this hidden water, ensuring the entire structure is completely dried to prevent future issues. If water sat stagnant for more than 48 hours before mitigation began, mold has likely started to grow. Required mold abatement procedures and containment protocols will naturally extend the project timeline by several days. Once the property is verified as completely dry, the reconstruction phase begins. Replacing drywall, installing new flooring, and painting can take anywhere from a single week to a month, depending on the severity of the damage. Administrative factors also play a massive role. The time it takes for an insurance adjuster to inspect the damage, approve the mitigation estimate, and release funds can sometimes cause delays before the final reconstruction can start. Get your home dried and restored as quickly and safely as possible. For rapid response and expert water damage mitigation, contact the specialists. Call Gold Coast Flood Restorations today at 619-449-9611.